Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we have Cassandra Nova. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at Marvel Legends from the Marvel Studios Deadpool and Wolverine Wave. This is the film, okay? Cassandra Nova. Okay, so this particular product is brought to us by Hasbro. For 14 years old and above, I got it from Toys R Us at around 1,400 pesos. That's around $25, I guess. Okay. So I was with my son in the toy store. I bought him a toy. So I also need to get myself one. And Cassandra Nova just happened to be there and I don't have one. So I got it. So Cassandra Nova, you can see here on the left side, that's the image of the actress who played Cassandra Nova in the film. Very bold, very shiny. On the right side, we have the same illustration, but bigger now. So it's bolder and shinier. And at the back, we have here a brief description. The twin sister of Charles Xavier, Cassandra Nova, was banished to the void by the Time Variance Authority, TVA. Now she's a megalomaniacal psychopath hell-bent on domination and pain, according to Steve Rogers, or rather, Human Torch. On the wave, we also have Wolverine, Blade, Wolverine, X-23, Cowboy Deadpool, and Cassandra Nova. Okay, so this is sealed, mint in sealed box. So we're happy to open her. But before we do, let's take a look at Cassandra Nova Heroclix figure, because this is a Heroclix channel. And Cassandra Nova has been made multiple times, but we're looking at the oldest Cassandra Nova from, I think, Mutations and Monster set. I don't know. I don't know what this set is. The swirly icon. Okay. So Cassandra Nova just standing upright with her cerebro at the back. Okay, so I love this particular figure or this sculpt. I hope it gets legacied. You can see here 12 range single target. That will be great for a legacy figure. Definitely overcosted. Let's take a look at the card. Cassandra Nova has the keywords monster, mutant, and psychic. Has mind control, astral projection, facing teleport, psionic pulse, pulse wave, psychic blast, incapacitate, Mama Dry is the special defense power. Cassandra Nova can use Mastermind, Shape Change, and Willpower. It's really strong at 142 points. The Brotherhood of Mutants team ability, Regeneration, Outwit, and Perplex. So she is set number 49, a super rare from the set. And real name is Cassandra Xavier. First appearance is New X-Men number 114, 2001. Background, a mama dry. Okay, I don't know what that is. A mama dry, a bodiless parasite from the astral plane that would become Cassandra Nova, became entangled with the not yet born mind of Charles Xavier and copied his DNA to form a body and become his twisted twin. Returning when Xavier was an adult, Cassandra has shown her powers to be nearly equal to those of her brother, quote unquote, and she has made several attempts to destroy Xavier and all he holds dear. But obviously, Professor X is still stronger. So Cassandra Nova, I'm sure, has been how do we call that? Her origin might have been changed a long time, retro or retconned a lot of times. But he is or she is the twin of Charles Xavier. Okay, going back to the scope or to the Marvel Legends, we're not giving the box, so that's fine. But you can see here, okay, Deadpool art. Okay, I see Wolverine, so I'm happy. My favorite character is here. Maybe I'll keep this. And then we have Hamlet. And then we have the figure. Okay. So let's take her out. You can immediately see alternate hands, which is always good. Okay, so this one is open hands alternate. Okay, but what I like to highlight is an alternate hand that contains a hand through the face. Okay, I think this happened in the film. Okay, this is probably one of the goons in the film. Okay, so this is very unique for her. And what I love is that this is an actual head, so you can kit bash a body, okay, to complete the figure, I guess. So we need a kneeling dude for Cassandra, and there she is. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, oops, it popped off her head, her bald head. Okay, that's a long neck from Cassandra. Okay. Okay, so that's not good. Let's put it back. Okay. Then tight joints. Okay, I'm curious about that face. There you go. It's a bit creepy, but it's fun. So we need a figure that would like I need a body now. Okay, so that when Cassandra holds it or controls it, it's a complete body rather than just a floating head. Okay. But for now, I'm happy. Okay, she is expressionless, but that's fine. That's how psychics are usually, especially evil psychics. But what do you guys think? Please share your thoughts in the comments. And until next time, bye.